Hey guys, it's Christina. How's it going? So this week I'm pretty much just getting ready for parent-teacher conferences coming up. If you kind of like want to see how I've done those before, I have a few videos, and I'll try to put some of those in the description box as well. But yeah, I am going to do kind of like an open house type of a conference this year, or I mean this round of conferences. And so I have some binders that have their scores in them, and they'll show them their binders and like how their scores are looking for math, keyboarding. They're going to show how many AR points they have, which is like they read a book and they get points from those books. They're also going to show them like how they're doing with their reading scores and stuff. So there'll be a few little things like that. And so just trying to get that ready. And this is what some of the pages look like in their binder. I didn't make these, my friend before me made them that was in this classroom. So there's a typing club one, because that's the program we use, and they'll just like mark how many words per minute they're at. And then there's like math test scores, and there's other pages just like this that will be in the binder. So one thing I decided to do for my like progress reports I'm going to send out, or like their standards reports, is I decided to go online, write down all the standards that I'm going to put scores in for, and then I have them all like on a piece of paper, and then I'm just going to take this and just enter them all in. So usually I'll just enter them right in and I'll have like a bunch of tabs open, but I feel like this was so easy, so I have them all written down, and then I'm just going to go in and type them all in, so that will be good. So I plan on having a lot more work available for the parents to see, so they can like see firsthand like how they're doing on things. So we have like little things we've been doing, like this cursive book. One of my teammates made this. It's so cute, and it just has some other cursive in it. So, So I'm gonna have this out for them to show their parents. And then we have some books they just finished. A phonics book that they've been working through. It's the second volume they just finished, and we're moving on to the third one. So I'll send that home, and then I'm going to print off one of their like essays they did in December, and just have some like work available for them to see and like take. So okay, I decided to make this little whiteboard. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put their binder on their desk, some work examples, their progress report, some of their old books they can take home. And I'm gonna train the kids today to run through these things. So when they come with their parents, they can show them all of these things here. So when they have their binder out, it'll have all their scores in it. And then on this whiteboard, I'm actually going to have some examples for them to know where they should be at, so they can know exactly where their child is at. I'm also going to have some work examples out, their progress reports, and old books. So, and then after that, they can ask me any questions when they're done. So this is how the board's going to look as the kids show their parents their binders. This is what they'll do for AR. They're going to put a line to show where they want to be by the end of the year for points. So it's kind of a personal thing. We're still practicing math facts, so that page is blank still. And then this is how, that's kind of where they should be at if they're at grade level. So I told them if their little bar that's shaded in is above, that means they're above grade level. If it's below, that means that it's something we need to work on. Then this is our typing goals for the year to be like at grade level. So I told them this is passing. Like, of course, we want to be above 75%, but 75% would be like passing. So anyway, they will use this as they go through their binders. So the kids are about to come back from recess, and I'm going to train them on all that stuff I just showed you on the board, so they know what to do when they come. And then of course I'll tell them that board will be there for them to use and for their parents to see too. So this is an example of what one of their desks will look like. So I turned over a lot of stuff so you can't see like personal info, but their name tag, their binder, which will have all their data in it, and it has like a cover on it and everything. And then these are the two books I'm sending home. We finished this volume, and it's the phonics program that we do. And then we are on the 4th unit, and this is from the 1st and 2nd. So I figured I'd send it home, so if they want to read through the stories and answer the questions, they can. And then I'll also put a progress report on here, which I'm just about to pass out. And then the cursive book I showed you, and I'll print off their essay too. So this is kind of how it will look. Okay, well, I had my conferences yesterday and the day before that, and I have like one more tomorrow, one more next week, and there's a few that didn't come, so I'll probably just send like some of the paperwork home and stuff. But I really liked doing those open house, the open house type SCP for this last one, because we do 3 a year. I feel like it turned out really well. So I think one thing I would have done differently is like had them sign up for the day they were coming, just to give them like more accountability. But yeah, I feel like it turned out really well and stuff. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching.